Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is covalent bonding, non-metals sharing electrons. By the end of the video, you'll know how covalent bonds form, why they make small molecules with surprisingly low melting points, and why most don't conduct. Covalent bonding is the sharing of electron pairs between non-metal atoms. Each shared pair counts as one covalent bond. By sharing, both atoms count those electrons toward filling their outer shells. The bond itself is strong, but the forces between the small covalent molecules are weak. Three things. 1. Covalent bonds form between non-metals. 2. Each bond is one shared pair of electrons. 3. Small covalent molecules have low melting points because only the weak intermolecular forces need overcoming, not the bonds themselves. Common slip, saying covalent molecules have low melting points because the bonds are weak. The bonds aren't weak. The bonds within H2O are strong. It's the intermolecular forces between the water molecules that are weak, and that's what melts first. Quick example, in water, each hydrogen shares one pair of electrons with oxygen, and oxygen shares two pairs total. The result? Two OH bonds, a bent shape, and a molecule that boils at just 100 degrees, because between molecules the forces are weak. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.